Hello and good morning everyone. Welcome back to my vlogs. Today, as you can see behind me, there is this gate which is open for Gundri Bazaar. So in a few moments I will see you there later. ये बिक्री करने हो? 30।
आपके पास हमारा नंबर है ना? हाँ। आप कांटेक्ट करो, हम आपके कैलकाटा में पहुंचा देंगे सब। एक निकाल
Hello and welcome everyone to Gundri Bazaar.
अलिक छिटो लगाएर किनभने हाम्रो चिफ गेस्टहरु पनि अराइभ हुने बेला भइसक्यो र कतिजना अराइभ भइसक्नु भएको छ. प्लिज डु इट फास्ट so that we can begin.
Our chief guest, Dr. Santosh Nimbalkar, who is the Superintendent of Police Darjeeling.
हजुरहरुले छिटो गरेर लेट्स हसल अप फर प्रोग्राम है. एउटा इनिशिएटिभ हाम्रो एकदमै राम्रो इनिशिएटिभको लागि. गुन्द्री बजार यो एउटा कथा जस्तै छ, मिठो कथा जस्तै छ है. सो आई वुड लाइक टु inform you people about the Gundri Bazaar to our respected guests, and we are looking forward to this program. We are excited. म हजुरहरुलाई गुन्द्री बजारको स्टोरी भन्दै थिएँ है. सो गुन्द्री बजार चाहिँ के हो भन्दाखेरि हाम्रो पहिला है दार्जिलिङमा 1900s त्यो टाइममा चाहिँ जति पनि दार्जिलिङको लोकल मान्छेहरू हुनुहुन्थ्यो है, उहाँहरू चाहिँ डोको बनाउनुहुन्थ्यो है. उहाँहरूले बेच्नुको निम्ति डोको बनाउनुहुन्थ्यो है. धेरैवटा कुराहरू बनाएर बेच्ने गर्नुहुन्थ्यो है.
So this Gundri Bazaar was introduced by Vikran Foundation along with Decibel. All the entrepreneurs who were there outside working Darjeeling in big cities were all forced to being unemployed because of the pandemic. Vikran Foundation and Decibel, they came to know and see that everyone was displaced and the jobs disrupted and people, young youths, being rendered unemployed. So this is an initiative of the Decibel and Vikran Foundation that they have organized this Gundri Bazaar, which my co-host has very well explained, to further introduce, I must say, about Gundri Bazaar. I now call upon Mr. Vikram Rai.
A very good morning to everyone who's present here. I think, in this pandemic, I worked closely with the situation, and especially when the migrants and the issue of people coming back. I was looking through this data, and there were so many talented youths who had come back to Darjeeling Hills because they lost their jobs. We started, and there was this sudden thing about online business, online kitchens. So we decided to create a marketplace, and we decided to give the name as Gundry Bazaar, which is the first marketplace in Darjeeling. And for many people who are here, they don't have an established shop or an establishment, but this is the start for many of them, and I hope they will carry on. I think this is a very good opportunity for us to rebuild Darjeeling into a better Darjeeling. So this is a small initiative from Vikram Foundation and Decibel to just give you a small moral boost. And all of these have been done without any government funds. So thank you so much to all the people who have donated something for Gundry Bazaar, and we look forward for such kind of collaborations. So thank you so much.
Vikram sir and Manish Lama. Thank you very much. I would like to call upon SP sir to kindly share a few words of knowledge.
Now this is a concept all over India. It is coming beautifully. Basically, it is just like a global. You know the global term, globalization and localization. Go to the basics.
I would like to welcome him. So father.
भर्खरै मैले त्यो अर्ग्यानिक मह पाएँ अनि मैले चाखेँ. इट वाज रियली ट्रुली अर्ग्यानिक थियो. कङ्ग्रेचुलेसन. त्यो रिम्बिक जस्तो जग्गाबाट अब यसरी क्रिएटिभ भएर यी सहरसम्म आउनु त मेरो लागि उज्जवल भविष्यको म त्यो देख्दैछु. एन्ड विश यु अल ह्याप्पी क्रिसमस एन्ड ह्याप्पी न्यू टु. थ्याङ्क यू. गड ब्लेस यु अल.
जुन चाहिँ सोच लिएर यो गर्नुभएको छ, आगामी दिनमा यसको सफलताको कामना गर्दछु. आउँ हामी सबै मिलेर यो दार्जिलिङलाई आत्मनिर्भर
and we are just specialized in actually customized games and movie games.
Thank you. We have next Moyak Naga food. Somebody would like to say something from here.
It's Nagaland Koi, and this is my partner. We're just planning to start this Naga food kind of delivery. So,
Rose self-help group बाट कोही बोलिदिनुहुन्छ?
हामी वार्ड नम्बर 27 है, रोज सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप र सिएलजला होइन. अन्त हाम्रो प्रडक्ट के छ भने हाम्रो सब अर्ग्यानिक प्रडक्ट छ. स्पाइस भयो, पिकल्सहरू भयो होइन, अर्ग्यानिक वाइन्सहरू छ होइन.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Sparkles. Anyone from Sparkles? Vikram. Okay, thank you.
We have Koshong Fresh.
अच्छा बिक्री कस्तो छ?
हजुर राम्रो हुँदैछ, अहिले चल्दैछ. हजुर भर्खर स्टार्टिङ भएको हाम्रो.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
You both read tarot?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
I'm Dorji Yomo and I do tarot cards. It's been like more than a year I'm doing this. And yeah, that's all.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The t-shirts are to promote the Vikram Foundation.
Okay.
Well, we are Miyaki by me. Here we sell all the embroidered stuff, all are handmade, and yeah, it's art. It's kind of functional art. Yeah.
After all, in Darjeeling Goodwill Center, we are trying to promote art in Darjeeling.
Up next we have XOXO. Somebody introduce.
Yeah, sure. What do you want me to say?
Introduce your product, please.
Oh, yeah. Okay, we are Dendrophiles.
Dendrophiles.
We are an organization from We are actually an environmental organization.
Okay.
So we have a team of people who bring some food items also. Everything is handmade, and we try to use old stuff like these whiteboards.
Hello everyone, my name is Dipshika Tamang. I am a member of Team Excel and we make customers, handmade kitchen. Besides that, we have introduced another product which we named as Worker product.
Silauto.
Hi everyone, we are Team Silauto.
We have our own Tashi Namza.
Hello everyone, we're here at Naval West. We have some interesting bakery items. More than hot cakes is Korean donuts for today. Just have to eat for one.
Thank you, Tashi.
Hi, I'm Dipti Papa and I'm here with Shreya Lubu, who is my partner. So we have recently started this shop just a month ago, and you can also find us on Instagram, which is eccentric.in. So if you like sustainability, then you can buy our clothes because it is a thrift shop. So you can buy in a very reasonable price. And thank you.
And we started this online business. We have some accessories and clothes makers. It's basically a thrift shop and handmade goods. That's it. Thank you.
This is Pinocchio. This is where we deal with all the spice. We've been showcasing the local spices of Darjeeling along with the skills of the many different women who influenced us.
I am Sanjay Shilpa, representing the Yellow Box.
Hi. So I would like you all to say something about introduce yourselves.
As you all know, this is a thrift shop. We have pre-loved clothes. We also have a variety of belts, skirts, as you can see. These are all pre-loved and it's for very good rates. Thank you.
We don't actually have a shop back in Kalimpong. We're just doing this given the opportunity provided by Gundri Bazaar. So thank you very much for that.
My name is Mandeep Mukhya and I'm from Tipsip. So Tipsip is bacon strips, right? We can say it's a cross between the American jerky, the South African biltong and your favorite Cantonese sausages.
Bubble tea and dalgona and beans iced tea. Ward number 28 को Ward number 28 को सेल बेडरुम हो हामी चाहिँ 16 मेम्बर्स छौं हैन यो चाहिँ हाम्रो टेबल रनर्स हो है हामीले नै आफै डिजाइन गरेको बनाएको छौं हाम्रो चाहिँ टेबल हाम्रो नेपाली और सेलरोटी and sausages and झोल and this is the rice sauces. Hello Darjeeling. Here we are actually from Nagaland and it's properly Naga fusion. And we have chicken pickle, beef pickle, pork pickle. We have specially green chili from Nagaland and bamboo shoot, dry green chili, akone from specially Nagaland. Thank you.
Hello, we are Team Neighborhood Sausages. My name is Mingma and my partner's name is Rebecca. Our product is sausages. We have Chinese sausages, pork sausages and chicken sausages. And this is our store. It's handmade. We have sausage burgers available.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
My name is Migma Girmi Sherpa. I'm founder of Ribbon Fresh. And we have mostly local products, mostly ko saman from Rimbik and almost all over the other areas.
Okay, thank you. That's it.
crochet and products are like handmade stuff, mufflers and blankets, mittens, etc.
Hello everyone, this is Pratibha from the Taste of Darjeeling. I have just launched this Taste of Darjeeling in the pandemic, and this is especially a women empowerment program, and I have showcased all the talents of the unemployed women, housewives, and whatever they make at home. उनीहरूको सबैको प्रोडक्ट्सहरू मैले यहाँ शोकेस गर्नको लागि खोलेको हो अनि हामी अनलाइन पनि यो प्रोडक्ट्सहरू बेच्दैछौँ तपाईले हामीलाई इन्स्टाग्राममा पनि फलो गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ मेरो साथी आएको छ यहाँबाट पुणेको माया भनेर शी फ्रम कर्सियङ प्लिज टक टु हर
Thank you. Hello, my name is Pratishtha Gurung. र म आज दिदीसँग मिलेर टेस्ट अफ दार्जिलिङसँग मिलेर यहाँ आइरहेको छु हाम्रो इन्स्टाग्राममा पेज पुणेको माया भनेको छ सो प्लिज फलो अस यु क्यान सी हाम्रो ड्रिम क्याचर्सहरू हामीले ड्रिम क्याचर्सहरू प्लस ह्यान्ड knitted woven clothes including baby suits and many other stuff like hair bands and gloves हुन्छ plus keychains and all.
So this is handmade Nepali sari.
Hello everyone, this is Casey from Darjeeling and I'm selling a bit of my art today and handmade things will never go out of fashion. They are always there. So I have lots of handmade cards, I have postcards, gift tags, framed art prints that you can enjoy for yourself, cute stickers. So please do come and show me some love. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much for having us. We are Homemade Candles with Love, and this is a totally homemade and handmade, and it's just about 10 months we started this, and we deliver all over India. You can follow us on Instagram at Homemade Candles with Love, and come and check out our candles and take some. Thank you.
Thank you.
Real statement and we visit Delhi. We have shoes from Adidas, real originals with flat 50% off. Thanks so much.
Flat 40%, you say? 50, flat 50% off.
Thank you so much.
Also representing all the independent young artists. So we have recycled CDs that we have hand painted with acrylic paint, and we have stones from Tista itself, painted by our own artists themselves, introducing Darjeeling arts culture and our very own local bamboo products as well, made by the artists themselves.
You have any online pages?
Yeah, our page is called Darjeeling Arts Culture. It's on Instagram.
Okay.
Follow us.
Do follow and check them out, guys.
Thank you.
Darjeeling Arts Culture.
Looks delicious.
चिकन दुईटा दिनुहोस् पर्क होस् एउटा अलगै हालिदिनु न काटिदिनु भयो दिनु त्यसो क्रिस्पी is good.
इसमें आप छोटा माइक्रो मतलब पतला का नीचे अगर मिशनरी
Hey, welcome back. So that was it for Gundri Bazaar. It was a pretty hectic shoot. Now I'm going somewhere. It's time to close the vlog, so we'll see you in another vlog like this. If you haven't subscribed, then do subscribe, like, comment and share.